What if I told you in just 5 minutes you can unlock the secret to more clarity, more calm, and more connection in your life through this simple breathing technique that is heart focused? This comes to me via David Baer, but originally from the HeartMath Institute. And I want to share with you 3 techniques that you can use in just 5 minutes to refocus your mind and resynchronize your heart with your mind and pull you out of any stressful situation in your day and set you into the calm, peaceful person that you are intended to be. This is going to be a short one, guys. We're going to jump right into it, and we're going to talk about heart flow. 3 simple breathing techniques where you breathe from your heart, and it synchronizes your heart and your mind through the energetic waves that are flowing there and causes you to experience more clarity, more calm, and more connection in your life. This practice works. I've used it myself, and I'm using it more and more these days. Let me show you how it works. Breathing is something we naturally do all day, every day. But when we focus our breathing and we practice breathing from our heart, from our center, from this place where all of our higher emotions reside, love and peace and joy and things like gratitude, all of those emotions coming in and out of our heart through a focused breathing exercise can literally sync your heart and your brain waves together and bring you more calm, bring you more clarity, and bring you more connection, thus bringing you more peace in your life. So how do you do it? Here's what you do. Whatever's going on in your day, take just a moment. If you can get 5 minutes to yourself, stop. And here is the technique. 3 different breaths. And the first breath, we're going to breathe in every time on all 3 of these through our heart. So visualize your breath coming in. As you take a deep breath in through your nose, visualize energy of love, of peace, of joy, of calm flowing in through your heart as that breath comes into your body. You're going to literally feel yourself breathe in through your heart. That's on all 3. So breathe in through the heart. And on this first one, when you breathe out, you are going to breathe out with this in mind. You want to open up. You want to open yourself to the universe. Open yourself to opportunity. Open yourself to possibility. Open yourself to the life that you want. Open yourself up to any good thing that source, that God, the universe, whatever you believe there wants to bring your way. So you're going to breathe in. Visualize the breath coming in through your heart. When you get to the top of that, let that breath you took in through your nostrils out through your mouth, and imagine that breath coming out of your heart. But as it comes out, you're going to visualize yourself opening up to be a wide receiver. Throw me the ball, universe. Throw me the ball, God. I am open. I'm a receiver now of all good things, of whatever you want to bring my way. So open yourself up as you breathe out and visualize that breath coming out of your heart. Open up as you breathe out on the first breath. Now the second breath, what you want to do is once again, breathe in. Imagine that energy of peace, love, joy, whatever it is, higher emotions coming in through your heart with the breath in through your nostrils. It comes in, and then when you breathe out on this one, you want to do this. Let go. Whatever it is that you're holding on to in your life, whatever weights, whatever things have you stirred up in that moment, the stress of that situation, whatever big picture things that you're hanging on to, whether it's relational stuff, it's work stuff, it's just normal stress, it's sickness, health issues, whatever it is, in this moment, don't think about tomorrow or the next day or when you're going to resolve the things that are going on in your life or how you're going to resolve them. Forget all of that. Just like 2 heavy weights, you're just going to let them go as you breathe out. So when you breathe that breath, of energy in through your heart. Visualize breathing back out through your heart. But as you do, what I see in my mind is just this shell of rocks that are weighting me down, like kind of like the Thing on the Fantastic Four. I'm covered in all these rocks of weight, just breaking apart and falling off of me as I breathe out through my heart. Let it all go. Drop the weights, whatever they are. Visualize those weights falling off of you. Breath one, you're going to breathe in love, joy, peace. You're going to open up as you breathe out to whatever the universe wants to bring you. Breath number two, you're going to breathe in that love, joy, peace again. And when you breathe out through your heart, you're going to let all the weights in your life drop. And then breath number three, same thing, in through the nostrils, love, joy, peace, all those good emotions coming in through your heart. Feel them come in. When you get to the top and you breathe out through your mouth, you're going to do this. You're going to feel safe. You're going to feel safety in your life. When you breathe out through your heart on this third technique, you want to just feel that you are totally secured by your source, by God, by the universe, by your situation, whatever it might be, however you want to visualize that, whatever is total security. Your hands are back, they're behind your head, you're relaxed, you are breathing out nothing but total peace, because in this moment, I don't know what's happening 10 minutes from now, but in this moment, you're totally secure. Now, you can do this whole exercise really in less than 5 minutes. If you want to do kind of what I do and repeat this a few times, repeat step one a couple of times, 3 times, repeat step two a couple of times, 3 times, repeat step three a couple of 3 times, or go all the way through, repeat the loop again. However you want to do it, you can do it as long or as short as you want to do it. Now, I want to help you do more and more of this. Subscribe below if you haven't already, but tell me right now in the comments if you're going to try this, because I'd like to know how many of us are trying it. Because what HeartMath Institute that brings us this information, check them out on YouTube. They're awesome. They have a world collective that's got people doing these kind of exercises, and they have so many more all together across the planet, and they're trying to measure the energy that's being put out by all of us as we literally change our planet through good vibes, literal good vibes that are coming out of our body electromagnetically through waves of energy. Tell me I'm trying it if you're going to try it in the comments. This is changing my life, and it can change yours too. Start breathing from the heart in these 3 ways, and you're going to get some heart flow. Your brain and your heart waves are going to sync up, and you're going to feel peace. I promise.